Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with the August 2019 Birchbox. This is a $10 a month subscription. You get about 5, sometimes 6 different sample size products. Sometimes they are full size depending on what they are and the size of them, but most of them are sample size or deluxe sample size products. Some of them from brands that, excuse me, I've heard of, some from brands I've never heard of, and have found some new favorites. I will leave the link below if you'd like to try it out. Again, it's only $10 a month. You can cancel at any time, not sponsored, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this month's box. And it is very cute. It's got little palm trees on it. It's got palm trees and a little sunset, goes all the way around. Their boxes are very pretty and nice and reusable if you wanna store things and whatnot. But in this box, it says Old School Summertime, and then it gives you a list of products that we're gonna see what's in the box. First, we have this moisturizer from Air Repair. I've had one of their moisturizers before and I really liked it. This one is the Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. Full size is $23. It says it is packed with antioxidants and humectants. This word right here, not for sure how to pronounce that, but it says this rich cream moisturizes and revitalizes dry, dull, or stressed out skin, and mine is sealed, which I like. I haven't opened it. And again, I've used their moisturizers before and they're really nice, and this is a nice cream. It seems to be absorbing nicely. Has a very light scent. This would be great for travel, or just something if you need to moisturize during the day, anything like that. Because some people don't wear makeup, but they still like to make sure their skin is nice and hydrated. But I will be trying this out, and this again is from Air Repair, their Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. This is the Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Full size is $25. I don't use wave spray, so I will either be passing this on or putting it in a giveaway. It says this spray gives you loose, beachy texture without the salt, meaning no dried out waves. Mist through damp or dry hair, scrunching or twisting sections, then air dry or blow dry. See what it smells like. It smells really nice. Has a light scent, a light florally scent. It would be nice for summer, but again, I don't need a wave spray, so again, this will be passed on or put in a giveaway. And I've had Amika stuff before, which I have passed on, but this is the Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Again, full size is $25. I have had this product before. This is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for lips, and the name is crazy, a nipple balm. The full size is $16.50. The last time I had this, it lasted a long time. It's really thick. You can use it for your cuticles, you can use it for your lips, you can use it for sunburns, you can use it for anywhere on your skin, and it really keeps things nice and moist. Excuse me. It says this multi-purpose natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburn, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. And it's in a little dispenser like this, so if you do use it on your lips, it's slanted. And it's very thick. It's yellow. And it feels like Vaseline. It's the same consistency as Vaseline. It's really, really tacky. It does not have a smell. It works great on cuticles. It works great on lips. I'm gonna put some on now. It lasts for a long time. A little goes a long way. This is something that you can throw in your car, upcoming fall and winter. You can throw this in your car and you're like, oh, my lips are dry. You can just, have this ready to go. But it's really nice. So I'm glad we got this back. And this is the Mr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for lips. Next is this Liz Wattier waterproof eyeliner in Akiachu. Go ahead and show you the name of that. And this color right here. Asiaju. Can't pronounce that one. But the full size of this is $24. It says whether you prefer a subtle line or a bolder cat eye, this waterproof pencil glides over your lash line effortlessly. Pull it a bit. It's nice and soft. It's a pretty purple aubergine color, which I use quite a bit. So I will try this out. Said plus the deep purple hue is flattering for every eye color. And I have used Liz Wattier before. I have a mascara that I got a few boxes ago, but this is from Liz Wattier, and this again is the waterproof eyeliner, full size, $24. This is something else that will be going into a giveaway or to someone. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. I've had a few of these. I think I had one in a BoxyCharm before, or Ipsy, but I've had these before. This is their 5-in-1 styling treatment, full size, $28. This multitasking styler does it all. Volumizes, adds softness, blocks UV rays, safeguards color, and protects from heat. It looks like a moisturizer. Smells nice. Smells really nice. It says to comb a nickel-sized amount throughout damp hair and blow dry. So I will be passing this on or putting it in a giveaway. I do have quite a lot of hair products samples, so if you want me to do a giveaway on hair products, I can do that as my next giveaway because I have plenty of samples. So if you would like to have a giveaway on hair products, thumbs up this video and I will do that. But this again is from Living Proof, and this is their perfect hair day 5-in-1 styling treatment. Lastly, I got this Perlice facial mask. This is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. Full size is $18, but I think you get 3 or 4 in a pack. Got some Perlice ones in BoxyCharm a few months back, and I just used the last one, and I think that was the aloe one. It was the green one. I'm not for sure which one it was, but it was the hydrating one, I think. But I love sheet masks. I do a mask every other day. I don't skimp on those because my skin is used to it and it enjoys it. So I will do a clay mask, and then the next time I will do a more hydrating mask. This one is moisture and soothing for all skin types, normal to oily. I like Perlice. I love their moisturizer. I like their mask, and I can't wait to try the watermelon one. So we got this Perlice Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. Okay, so these are the items that I received in my August 2019 Birchbox. Again, this is a $10 a month subscription. The link will be below if you'd like to try it out. I am happy with most of the products. Again, the hair products will go in a giveaway. Again, if you want a giveaway a giveaway with hair products, sample size hair products, I can do that. Give me a thumbs up and I will do that. So that would be coming. I thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to the back to school giveaway winner. There will be more giveaways. I will do the hair care one, and then I will also do a brush one coming soon. So make sure you are subscribed and also following on Instagram to know when those giveaways will happen. Happy back to school to everyone. Study hard and good luck to you. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.